Hello students, through this video I would like to explain you integrated grammar practice, that is type 1, error finding and correction. Okay, usually you will be given a passage in your school examination or board examination and you are asked to find out the error or the incorrect word and make necessary correction and write both the error and correction in the given blocks under the specific columns here. In order to do this error correction appropriately or perfectly, you must have a good knowledge of all the basics of English grammar. That means usually the errors may occur in nouns, sometimes verbs, prepositions, determiners, next conjunctions. Okay, and you must also have good knowledge about subject verb agreement, because basing on the subject we use the correct verb. So an essential knowledge about these all basics is very crucial or important in order to do these exercises meticulously. Okay, let us see the first one here. Look, the first line, educationists today are overwhelmingly. Look at this first sentence. Educationists today means at present are overwhelmingly. So educationist is singular. Okay, people who are in education department, who are to impart good education and do research and provide information to schools, colleges, universities, etc. Or here the subject is singular and the verb is plural. Or is the present V form which is plural. Okay, so here you can easily find out we must change this or we must rectify this word. So here the correction is educationists. This must be in plural. So educationists today are overwhelmingly means strongly, to a great extent. Okay, what we have to do now, usually the first one will be given as example in the examination, with the help of which you will be able to do the correction in the given passage. Okay, let us write now. Educationist, error. And the correction is educationists. Okay, first one completed. Educationists today are overwhelmingly concerned about the future of the youngsters. Let us see. There lies a mistake, an error. Overwhelmingly, this line is in continuation with the first one. Concerned about the future of the youngsters. So here are with is, or was, were, with any of these be forms, we are supposed to use the third form of the verb. V1 present tense, V2 past tense, V3 past participle. So here concern is used. This must be converted into, this must be written as concerned. Ed should be added. Now the correction is concerned. Okay, the wrong one is here, the first one educationist. Next, concern is wrong. So error is concern and the correction is concern. Now see, educationists today are overwhelmingly concerned about the future of the youngsters. You must go through the lines once again. After you have done the correction, you must read the sentences to see whether they are meaningful or not. After the correction is done. Okay, this is completed. Let us see the third one. The common complaint is students doesn't. Okay, this is an individual sentence. This sentence, the previous sentence ended here, and the next sentence. The common complaint, okay, is students doesn't. Here something is wrong. Students plural. Here students is subject, that is plural. Students singular, students plural. Okay, and the verb is does not. Doesn't means does not. So student, if it is singular, okay, it goes with does not or doesn't. But the subject is plural here, so we cannot use does not here, because students don't in present tense. Student doesn't. Student doesn't know how to behave. Students doesn't know how to prepare for the examination. So student means doesn't, okay, but this is plural, so here the error. Students do not. So error is doesn't, and the correction is don't. Okay, the common complaint is students don't study. They are not interested. Okay, that's over. Here everything sounds good. Some blames. Okay, some is the subject here. Indefinite pronouns. Okay, some is usually plural. I lost some of my books. Okay, some people have stolen my books. So when the subject is plural, the verb must be plural. So here everybody, nobody, somebody. Okay, these are usually singular, but some, both, all, these are always plural. So some blame. Here the verb is incorrect. Blame, the error is blames, and the correction is blame. Okay, some blame means find fault. Exposure to the media. Okay, exposure to the media. Others feel that the, okay, here no correction is there. How do we know? Because no blank is given against it. No blank is provided against this particular line, and that shows there is no error in this. We need not do any correction. Okay, exposed to the media, others feel that the present generation are not serious enough. Present generation. So generation usually abstract noun, that is singular. Generation means the people that belong to a particular era, a particular time, all put together called generation. So generation is singular, the subject is singular, and the verb is plural. Okay, generations, then we can use are, because subject will be plural, verb also plural, but here the subject is singular, so we must go with the singular subject only. Generation, we have to use the present singular B form. What is that? Is. This is present plural B form. So the error is are, and the correction is. Okay, next, the sentence ended here. The CBSE expresses, Central Board of Secondary Education, expresses this concern of reviewing the syllabus. Sometimes we cannot decide where the error lies. We have to sometimes go through the next line also. Okay, the CBSE expresses this concern of reviewing. So concern of, here the mistake is concern of is not sounding well. This concern of reviewing is not appropriate. This concern for. Okay, the error is of, and the correction is for. Okay, the CBSE expresses this concern for reviewing the syllabus. That means the CBSE wants to upgrade the syllabus. Okay, revise, reviewing the syllabus for time to time. So for time to time, when to is used in a sentence, and we have to use from. Actually the phrase is from time to time. From time to time. See, we have to update our knowledge from time to time. We have to learn new things from time to time. Okay, so here The error is for. The error is for and the correction is from. Okay. This is a well-known phrase. From time to time. Okay, reviewing the syllabus. From time to time. The idea is to build a complete personality of an individual. The idea is to build, okay, a complete personality of an individual. What's the idea behind the purpose behind CBSE's reviewing syllabus or updating syllabus every now and then? To make a complete personality of an individual, means the students, individuals, but the noun is plural and article is being used. We don't use articles with plural nouns. When do we use article? We use article with a singular, countable, common noun. The noun must be singular and the noun must be countable and the noun must be common. So individuals, common noun. But this is plural. So we don't use this article here. So as we cannot delete this article, if you delete this and, we cannot use any article here which is suitable. So what we have to do is, we have to correct individuals. We have to rectify individuals as individual. Then we need not to delete this article. Okay, it goes well. Then the error is individuals and the correction is individual. Okay, look here, mostly the errors lie in nouns, verbs. See this 1 2 3 4 verbs, 2 nouns, 2 prepositions. From this you understand, here error lies in nouns, verbs and prepositions. So this is nothing but integrated grammar practice, error finding and correction. Okay, let us see one more model in the next one. Okay students, let us go through the second exercise. Okay, same model, error and correction. Let's find the errors and do the necessary correction. When a diamond is found on the earth, look at the first line. When a diamond is found on the earth, okay, a diamond, subject is, diamond is singular, so verb is also used singular. A diamond is found. Usually, as I told you in the previous exercise, after the be forms, is, am, are, was, were, or been, being, usually we use the third form of the verb. Was found, is found, were found, are found, like that. So what is the conjugation? What are the 3 forms of the verb? Present tense, past tense and past participle. Find, found, found. So is find is wrong here. So we have to correct this verb here. Change this first form V1 into V3. So the error is find. Okay, error is find and the correction is found. Find, found, found means discovered. When a diamond is found on the earth, its outside appear is rather dull. Look here, its outside, it means the previous one, diamond. Its outside appear. Appear is verb, but here already verb is there. So this is not correct. Its outside appear. So we have to convert this verb appear into the noun form. Here a noun is to be used. So what is the noun form of appear? We usually form nouns from verbs, adjectives. Okay, for example, see, verb. What's a noun form? Sight, fly, flight. Okay, observe, observance or observation. Okay, In the same manner, appear. So, appearance. Its outside appearance is rather dull. Means how it appears from outside. So, appear is the error and the correction is appearance. Okay, 2 lines have been written. Outside appearance is rather dull, but it means a diamond will not be bright enough, will not be brilliant whenever we find it or we discover that it appears dull and normal. Okay, then skillful hands makes it into. The third line is skillful hands makes it into. What is the subject here? You must always see the agreement between the subject and verb here. Okay, the verb must agree with the subject in number and person. If the verb is if the subject is singular, the verb must be singular. If the subject is plural, the verb also must be plural. Okay, skillful hands, this is subject here, but makes, the subject is plural, skillful hands, but the verb is singular. See, when the verb is singular, we usually add es or es or is to the verb. For example, he speaks English well. My friend speaks English well. I like ice creams. You like ice creams. She likes ice creams. See, we are adding yes. Okay, I do my homework. We do our homework. They do their homework. But he or she or my friend, any of the subjects, does. When the subject is third person singular, in present tense, we usually add yes or es or ies to the verb, as the case may be. Okay, so here skillful hands plural, the subject is plural, and we use singular verb. So the error is makes. Error is makes, correction is make. Okay, and skillful hands means the hands which are talented. Okay, which are very experienced, expertise. Then skillful hands make it means the diamond into a sparkle gem we all know about. We know that how diamond dull and diamond which is not bright will be converted, will be changed into a bright one. Okay, a sparkle gem. Gem means a valuable stone such as diamond, ruby, sapphire, emerald, like that. Sparkle. So here sparkle is not suitable. Here the noun gem is being used. In front of that means before that we have to use a describing word. What you call describing words? Adjectives. So here with the same, starting with the same word, we have to form an adjective here. Sparkling. Sparkle actually. Sparkling means shining. So the error is sparkle and the correction is sparkling. Shining brightly. Okay, a sparkling gem, we all know about how a diamond is usually formed, made into a bright one, a bright stone. Most diamonds are sawing into it. Most diamonds means almost all diamonds are. Okay, the subject is plural, verb is also plural. Sawing, actually saw is nothing but to cut something into pieces, wood or anything. So this is V1. Sawed, V2. Sawed, V3. So here, as I told you previously, with is, am, or was, were, we have used the third form, V3. So the error is sawing, means cut into pieces. Sawing is error and the correction is sawed. It looks peculiar, but that is the process of cutting a material into pieces using machines. Most diamonds are sawed into two, and every half is shaped and cut. And every half, here every half is subject, it is singular. Okay, is, every half is, and once again shape. So this is the verb here, but not used appropriately. I told you with B forms, is, am, are, was, were, we have to always use the third form of the verb, V3. Actually, shape, V1, shaped, V2, shaped, V3. So here the error is shape, and it should be converted into, should be written or corrected as shaped. Okay, convert into the required shape. And every half is shaped and cut. Okay, no problem. Into the round diamond, the little. So into the round diamond, the little. So see, somewhere complicated here. You find it difficult. Into the round diamond, the little. Okay. So here, into the round diamond. Here the definite article is not suitable. Instead, we have to use indefinite article. The first letter is R, a consonant. If A, E, I, O are there, we usually use vowels, an. Okay. If a vowel is there, we use an. Now it is consonant. So A. The correction is the, and the error is the, and the correction is A. Okay. Into a round diamond, the little faces or facets. Okay, here subject, plural, faces or facets. So the subject is plural, the verb must also be plural. So is, you can automatically find it. Is error, or is the correction. Okay, we have done the necessary correction in the given lines. Okay, here find, found, appear, appearance, makes, sparkle should be written as sparkling, sawing into sawed, shape into shaped, the into A, is into R. Here also the error lies in verbs, nouns, adjectives, okay, determinants or articles. Okay, that's why you call them as integrated grammar exercises. And this model is error and correction. Okay, let us see the next one. Okay, students, let's see one more exercise on integrated grammar practice exercises, especially error and correction type. Okay, look at this first line. Life was not as it seems to be. Life was not as it seems to be. As I told you earlier, usually the first one will be given in error and correction will be given in the examination as an example to make you understand better. So here I mentioned the first one. What is the correction? Life was not as it seems to be. So it is a general opinion about life. Okay, so it should be in simple present. So the error is was, and the correction is. Already it has been given as an example. We need not do any correction in the first line. Next, proceed. Let's proceed. It is full of up and downs. What it means? Life. Okay, life is full of up and downs. So usually we say up and down or ups and downs. Here downs. Here there must be ups. Means there are no gains without pains. That means we will have a lot of happiness, and at the same time we will have unhappiness also. Means we have to face problems and we have to enjoy happiness also. That's what you call ups and downs. Okay, the error lies here. Up and downs is not correct. Ups and downs. So error is up, correction is ups. Okay, pains and gains. It is full of ups and downs. Okay, the sentence ended. Now let's go to next one. The grass always look greener on the other side. The grass always look greener on the other side. Here subject is the grass. Okay, the grass always look. So grass is singular, material noun. So it should be followed by a singular verb. Okay, grass, as I told you, if the subject is third person, then the verb we would usually take yes or es or ies after it. Okay, the grass always looks. So look is not suitable here. Error is look, correction is looks. Okay, means we think that all people in life are happy except ourselves. We are only suffering and other people are quite happy. And if you see the mountains or the hills from where you stand, they appear to be smoother. But if you really go there, it's not that appearance. The mountains or the hills will not be usually smooth enough. So life is full of troubles. Okay, pains and gains. We have to accept both equally. The grass always looks greener on the other side. So look is error, looks is correction. We have an habit of grumbling. What's the meaning of grumbling here? Complaining. Complaining about something. Always complaining or worrying about something. We have, look here, an habit. An habit. Habit is singular, but the first letter is a consonant. Okay, but we use an here. So here the error lies in article. This indefinite article an should be corrected as a. Error is an, correction is a. Okay, now read out. We have a habit of grumbling. That means we all humans have a habit of complaining about our problems. We are ever satisfied. We means all human beings. We are ever satisfied. So ever is not the suitable. So this adverb is not appropriate here. Okay, we have to use never. Ever is error, never is correction. We are never satisfied. Okay, we are never satisfied with what we have. We always complain about our life and we always expect more. Okay, next, this sentence ended. And let's see next one. We make us lives miserable. So we can very easily find out this error. We make us lives, not our lives. We plural. Okay, subject case. Our is the possessive one here. Our lives. Whose lives? Our lives. So us is error. Our is correction. Next is continuation. We make our lives miserable means very unhappy, sad, sorrowful by expect too much from everyone. By expect too much from everyone. So here expect is wrong. By expecting. See, by expect too much is not sounding good. So let's convert this expect into expecting. So the error is expect and the correction is expecting. Okay, by expecting too much from everyone. We always desire to have a lot of things from others, and we are jealous about what others have. Okay, we never think what God has given us, and we never be satisfied with what we have. Okay, that is a problem for the miserable condition in life. Okay, by expecting too much from everyone, that is what we face disappointment. Here this is not sounding appropriate. That is what we face means here the reason or the consequence for our disappointment or upset is mentioned. So that is what not. That is why. That is what is error. Why is correction. That is why we face disappointment. Okay. So never expect nothing and be happy. So never expect nothing. So never is negative in meaning. Means it conveys something which we should not do, and nothing also conveys negative meaning. So since already never is being used here, we should not use nothing here. For example, if you want to say that you don't know a particular subject, how to speak English or some other language, you say I don't know anything about it. I don't know, because do plus not. Okay, don't know. Then anything you use. You never say I don't know nothing. But if you want to use I know nothing, you can use. You can say I know nothing, or you can say I don't know anything, but you cannot say I don't know nothing. So here, so never expect nothing is wrong. So nothing is error. Anything is the correction. So never expect anything and be happy. If you don't expect anything from others, we will be happy with what we have. That is the secret of happiness. Okay, in this way you have to practice a lot of exercises on this model, error and correction. So you will get a lot of doubts, then you will know the rules, and you will solve the, you will get the rules, you will learn the rules by heart and become perfect, so that you can do this kind of error correction or editing very easily and score better marks in your examinations. Okay, thank you very much.